Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to set up a Gmail account on a PC or laptop in 2021. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. Okay, so in order to do this, what we're going to do is just open up a internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you don't necessarily have to use Google Chrome. You can use any internet browser. And the first thing you want to do is come across to gmail.com. And if you have any existing accounts with Google, it's going to ask you to sign in. But if you do want to go ahead and create a new account, what you need to do is click this button here, which says use another account. And then what you need to do is click the blue Create Account button down here. And then just choose whether it's a personal Gmail account or if you want to use it to manage your business. In this example, I'll just be setting up a personal account for myself. So what it's going to do is just ask for a few details, which I'm going to pop in now. So you just need to go ahead and enter this into the form. And then it's going to ask you to enter a username, which basically you can use letters, numbers, and periods. And this is also going to act as your actual email address. So for example, if I put digi.tutor123, because I can use the full stops, the periods, and the numbers, you will see that the email address for this account would be digit.tutor123, and then it's got @gmail.com. If that's available, it will let me select it. If not, it's going to come up with some suggestions down here of some alternative similar usernames. Once you've done that, just go ahead and choose a password. And then click the next button down at the bottom. So once this is done, what it's going to do, it's going to ask you for a phone number. Now, this is purely optional and it's mainly used for account security. So it's more if you forget your password, they can use it to help recover your password. So for now, I'm just going to leave that blank, but you can put that in if you want to. And also, again, another optional feature is they're going to ask for a recovery email address, which again, you can put an alternative email address to help recover your account if you forget any of your details. But again, that's purely optional. So in this example, again, I'm going to choose to leave that blank. Next, it's going to ask you to enter your birthday. And then it's going to ask you for your gender. And if you want to know why they're asking for that information, there is a link there. You can click and find out why, and they give you some details. Once that's all done, though, you just need to go ahead and click Next. And now what's going to happen, you've got two personalization settings. So you've got Express Personalization, which basically they deliver content and ads which are basically tailored to you. So it depends what you search on Google, what kind of videos you watch on YouTube, things like that. And what's going to happen, they're going to suggest content for you based on your previous experiences. So that's the quickest way, and that's an Express Personalization. Or if you wanted to go through and manually configure your personalization settings step by step, all you need to do is just choose this option down here. And you can go ahead and just choose which settings you want on or off. If you do choose one of these and you want to change it at a later date, it's no problem, you can do that as well. So for this example, I'm just going to select Express Personalization and then click Next. And then what's going to happen, it's just going to ask me to confirm my settings and cookies. And you can read through that if you want to. And if you're happy to go ahead, then what you need to do is just click the Confirm button down here. And what's going to happen, they're now going to read through the privacy and terms, which again is links in this text. So you can view the Google's terms of service and their privacy policy down here. But if you're all happy to go ahead, just scroll down and click onto I agree. And once you've clicked that, you can see that's now set up ready to go. And it's going to ask you for one more thing, which is whether or not you want to allow smart features. Smart features is basically quite a new thing they've put in, which basically does things like suggest keywords, results, etc., etc. I'm not going to go through that in too much detail today, but you can have a look through that and decide whether you want that on or not. In this example, I'm just going to click continue with smart features and then hit the next button. And then what it's going to do is just ask you if you want to personalize other Google products with your Gmail chat and Meet data. Again, I'm not going to go through this in too much detail, but basically you can sort of interlink all Google products. So if you've got like Google Meets or Google Chats, then you can sort of tie them all together. So if you want to read through that, you can do. In this example, I'm just going to click this one and click done. And we're just going to click got it and hit this reload button. And you'll see that's now set up ready to go. If I click on the top right hand corner, you'll see it's got my new Gmail address displayed there. So that's one that I would send to people if they want to send me emails. And this is the inbox. Make sure you make a note of your login details as well. But if you do forget them, there are ways to recover that as well. But I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you click the link in the video description down below, you'll actually be able to purchase a cup of coffee for the team here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.